Hey y'all, what's up? Back with another video. Got that Butter Blend Loose Deep by Sensationnel, 24 inches in 1B. Got it off Amazon, and literally, again, guess what? Under 40 bucks. Loving this hair, nice curls. I did, before I got on camera, pluck it. I washed it. I went ahead and I put makeup on the lace as well as cut the lace. And so this is what it is giving. I am loving it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video, and check out my other videos. Now let's go ahead and get into this install, okay? Now, here I am applying EBIN adhesive glue, not just the spray, but the actual glue. And the reason is because I was having issues with getting my cap to stick, so I did not want to have the same issues with my lace. And also, this wig is a semi-middle part, so I did put it to the side so that I can get a side part. So just FYI, this is not a side part wig. I went ahead and I put 4 layers of glue, made sure that it was completely clear and dry, and now I am going through with my comb and making sure that it's stuck. However, I am not pressing it down very hard. I am just going through, making sure that it's stuck. Now I'm going to use my EBIN spray and go through with my rat tail comb and make sure that it is on there. I'm not spraying it directly on there as of yet. I'm spraying it on the comb, and then I'm combing it into my edges. See here, spraying it on the comb, combing it into my edges. Now I'm pressing, making sure that it is on there and adhered. This baby ain't going nowhere, okay? Now I spray it directly, and then I use the back of my comb to press it in. See, now I'm brushing it out to make sure my edges are soft. Plus, I don't really like baby hair, so I want to make sure that my hair is soft all throughout. Looking good, looking good. Now I'm just going to keep going, making sure that both sides are adhered. Now I'm combing just to make sure that I'm liking how it's on there, or should I say on how stuck it is. I wanted to make sure it was on there, especially since I wasn't able to actually take advantage of the full wig because I pulled it to the side so I can have a side part. Now I'm just going through cutting the lace, which I had already cut some of the lace. Now I'm just cutting the rest. The sharper the scissors, the better. Mines are a little ragged, but the sharper the scissors, the better. I promise. It will lay that lace really nicely. There's the glue I was speaking of that I used my entire install. This glue, honey, makes it stick. Like, you do not have to worry about your lace moving once it dries. And it's very easy to remove. Pop it. I'm cutting the other side of the lace. Being really careful not to cut myself, but also making sure I make jagged marks. Trying not to get a really, really straight hairline. Because let's be honest, whose hairline is super straight? During this process, be careful not to cut yourself. I am using a mirror that has 3 times magnification, so I can see that. Try to keep your fingers off of it as much as possible once it's stuck, because the oils from your hands will create a dusty kind of look. And you don't want that. So you want to make sure you're using your comb as much as possible. Now I'm just going through flattening them edges that I can see. And I've tied down my hair with my trusty scarf. I am really feeling this wig. It is so cute, especially since I've plucked it. At first it was giving a little bit, Miya vibes, but put my part to the side, plucked it. I even combed it out a little bit because the curls were a little curlier. And it looks amazing. Again, Sensationnel Butta blend in 1B loose deep. This is a great wig if you just need something like to go to work in, something not too flamboyant but super cute. This is what I suggest. Not really beginner friendly. It does have the HD lace though, so you are going to have to, if you have different tones, you are going to have to match it to your tone by using some type of lace tint or makeup. However, this joint is popping. Didn't require any baby hair for this install, as you can see. And I am loving the curls since they have been combed out. As you can see, some I think they cute. Yep, see? Too much? Thank you, y'all, for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Check out this wig on Amazon. And love, I will be back and see y'all at another time. Again, Butta blends, loose deep, Amazon. Yes, poppin'. Bye.